All right, hello. My name is David Lindner. I've been working on this project with Scott Lamb, and this is our project, Banana Bargains. So, first thing we'll do is I'll give you a look at our Figma so we can show you step by step all the screens that are in place. So, here we are. So, first, let me zoom in a little bit here. Take a look at the boot up screen. So, when you first boot up the app, it's going to look a little bit like this. And you have the option to log in, which will send you to the home page. If you're an admin, it will send you to the admin landing page. Or if you want to create an account, you can use the create account screen. After creating an account, it will send you back to the initial boot up screen, where you can then proceed with these other screens here. Let's just take a look. I'm going to do a walkthrough of the whole application. This is just our initial layout, how we want the app to look. As you can see here, we have admin home, add product screen, just normal user login will send you to the regular homepage, and then the checkout screen, and then a thank you for checking out, please return home screen. If a user needs more funds, you can add funds to this screen. Or if a user wants to buy a membership, you can buy a membership through this screen here. But I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the app itself. Let me close that down for a second. All right, so here we are, Banana Bargains. So I do not have an account, so let me go ahead and register here. Let me go ahead and add our username. Let's just say test123. And to show that we have some password authentication, even if it's just something small, like password needs to have a certain amount of characters in order to be created, we'll show that if we just put in 1, invalid password, it must be longer. So let's go ahead and add that. We'll hit check, create account. Oh, sorry, I already added this user. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, account has been created. We'll go ahead and log in. Great, we've logged in. So as we can see, landing page, we have welcome, our username. We have 0 items in the cart currently, and we are initially sent $5. So if we want to add some items to our cart, we can add all these. And we can see items in the cart has been dynamically changed. We can go ahead and check out. We're actually going to add one more item to the cart. All right. So our total here is $7. As we can see, we have $5. So we're going to need some more money. So let's go ahead and add some funds. This is how you get infinite money. Go ahead and confirm. $7 has been added. As you can see, $7 has been added. Back to checkout. We go ahead and hit checkout. It says, thank you for shopping with us. And then we can go back home. Okay, great. So now we have the opportunity to buy a membership. So a membership will allow all of our customers to have their purchases 50% off. So if we go ahead and click that button, as you can see here, and the memberships are $10. So we're going to need some more money. So if we go back to checkout, add more funds, confirm, back to checkout. If we go all the way back home, go back to buy membership, buy the membership, and here we go. Thanks for becoming a member. And if we add items to this cart now, hit checkout, we now see the member total. So now let's go ahead and take a look at our admin side. So we'll go ahead and log out, log this out. We'll sign as our admin. Here's our admin landing page, pretty similar to a normal user login page. So what we can do here is still add items to our cart. We can still check out, we can still add funds, but the main thing the admin can do is add products. So if we want to add, let's say, a banana pie, we'll make it $5. Banana Pie added to inventory. Great. If we scroll down here, Banana Pie, great. So there we go. So that's pretty much all the features of the admin and how it's different from the normal user. And that is pretty much the walkthrough of our app here. We can go and check out here. Check out. Same system. And subtracted the total of the checkout cart. And we can go ahead and log out here. Great. All right, so now let me take you on a look through our GitHub and how we did that. So here's our repository here. You can see we have 19 branches made. We're not very good deleting them once we're done with them, but here are all the branches. Let's take a look at our PRs. So every time we finished a different task or different implementation, we made a branch and then pushed that branch to Git and then opened a PR. So here are our different PRs. You can see here, we have 0 opened because they're all complete. We can then show you our issues. So click here, go to issues. These have all been completed, as you can see, but I just want to leave them here so you can see that we have been creating issues. And let me go over our document. Go and pull that up. All right, here we go. So here is our document for submission. As you can see, Banana Bargains here. We'll have a new walkthrough of our app here to add here. Here's our GitHub. I've showed you the Figma already. Let's go ahead and look at our, right here, here's the GitHub, or sorry, not GitHub, the Figma with our initial layout and design. I always find it beneficial to have a more designed wireframe as opposed to just having a box with, some description of what it does. I think the visual helps a lot. It also helps with building the app as well if you already know what it's going to look like. And here's our use case model. As you can see here, we have our admin who can do the admin login. They can do add funds. They can log in, add bananas to store, which is the main difference between an average user and the admin. But the average consumer can do all these things as well, except for add bananas to store. Here's our ERD. You can see here we have our 3 tables. We have a user table and a bananas table, and these two are relational to the cart table, taking in the user ID and the banana ID with its own 3 data fields as well. Here are all our use cases that I have walked through with the app demo, showing our predefined users with our admin, creating a user persistence that showed you how the database will subtract money after a checkout, adding user carts. Here's our login, and here is, we pretty much went through all of this. Yeah, there's our application. There's Banana Bargains. Thank you for watching. This project was a lot of fun for both me and Scott Lamb. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much.